Once again, for JetBlue Airways Flight 1024, returns to JFK here at a gate 59. We're currently walking.
Final transfer call for American Airlines passengers on flight 4908 to Sacramento out of our gate 52T. Have safely boarded bus to our Eagle Nest terminal. Here in terminal 552 is by your boarding gate. It's only a transfer area, so you will not hear any boarding announcements. Keep in mind those buses do not run in a shift.
On the board for JetBlue Airways Flight 1024, returns to JFK here at a gate 59. Once again, we're welcoming groups letter A, B, C, D, along with our Mints and Mosaics to board at their leisure.
Yeah, made nothing.